Hi, I'm Julia Fierro, founder and director of the Sackett Street Writers Workshop, and I'm here to tell you about a new and free series of craft talks on creative writing that we are offering through the Sackett Street Writers YouTube channel. Each talk will be presented by a different writer, many of whom are Sackett instructors and alumni, as well as a few special guests. Each video will focus on a different topic of creative writing and will include writing prompts and links to recommended reading. We hope that these videos will give much needed support, inspiration, motivation, and community to writers of all levels and genres. Playwrights, screenwriters, poets, fiction and nonfiction writers. A story is engaging and unforgettable, no matter its format, in many of the same ways. I started Sackett Street out of a need for a creative community. Back in 2002, I placed an ad on Craigslist, and that very first workshop that met in my Brooklyn kitchen has since grown into a home for over 7,000 New York City writers and hundreds of writers worldwide who join us through our online classes. It's the Sackett writers who taught me not just how to write, but also about the importance of creativity and especially creative community. We've received many requests from writers asking us for additional online classes, and we've added many online classes in all genres for all levels beginning the week of April 6th. And all of those classes are going to be discounted for both returning Sackett writers and writers new to Sackett Street. This is certainly a time of great change and perhaps an opportunity to begin a new phase of creativity in our lives that we can carry on into the future. My 84-year-old father is painting still lives in his garage after not painting for many, many years. And I've heard from people around the world who are creating for the very first time in their lives. As writers, as artists, as humans, we tell stories to make sense of who we are and what our place in the world is. We inform ourselves of so much through creativity, and there is so much to make sense of right now. Let's try together